Hey, angels on the front lines for Yeshua. End time saints, 144,000. Targeted, empowered, persecuted individuals. Time is up, and we're about to fly. Please check out my latest video. I posted it over at my new channel so I don't get another strike here since I just was able to start posting again last night. I may save this channel and just try to do some lives here. But please go check it out. It is titled Planet X and some other things. I don't want to say anything else on here. But I will link it in the comments. So check the comments out. Also, I showed last night on the video here on this channel the name of my new channel. Why don't you just tell me the name of the new channel? I'm trying to be as indiscreet as I can. Does that make sense? Discreet. That's funny. Yeah, I'm real discreet, right? Maybe that wasn't a slip of the tongue. I'm not very discreet, but I'm trying to be, okay? I'm not a sneak snake. I'm not a slithering reptilian sleestack that harass us all day. So I'm not really good at being sneaky, snaky, stunk, discreet. So maybe that's why I slipped and said it. I'm trying to be indiscreet. That's funny. I'm going to keep this. I could just cut it and start it over again, but it's kind of funny. So we got to laugh, y'all. This has been a rough ride, and it is almost over for us that have accepted Yeshua HaMashiach, and we've kept our faith. That's the main thing. Keep your faith. Do not fail. Endure to the end, and we shall be saved. Please check out this new video. It's only 13 minutes long, which is very short for my big mouth. So check it out on the other channel. If you want to know the name of the other channel, it is on the last video posted here from last night. I held it up with a piece of paper, so I'm not saying it. But check out the comments. I will link the newest video. I love y'all. Time for me to fly.